Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose which type of app notification you get on your Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to open the app setting. There's one, tap on the app setting. And then you're going to select an application you would like to change the type of app notification on. And for example, I'm gonna go with my Instagram application. So we can tap on Instagram. And then you can click on a notification. And here you can choose which type of app notification you want to get. For example, I'm going to disable notification from comments like. So we just need to click on this toggle button to turn it off. Then first post and stories as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can choose which type of app notification on another application. So for example, I'm gonna go with my WhatsApp application. So click on WhatsApp, and then click on notification. And for example, I'm going to disable the notification from my group chat. So we just need to click on this toggle button. Alright guys, and that's how we can choose which type of app notification we want to get on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.